Today, we've grown too dependent on chemicals, breaking nature's delicate balance. Our environment is in trouble, the soil is crying, the songs of birds and bees are fading, the soil is slowly fading away. Families live with the shadow of health risks, exposed to invisible dangers in the soil and air. Chemical fertilizers have left the earth tired, barren. Polluted water tells us the environment is in trouble. Sanrakshan is a multi-pronged initiative focused on empowering small and marginal farmers across Bangalore rural and urban districts. Sanrakshan Farmers Training Program. Witness the impactful Sanrakshan Farmers Training Program, a comprehensive initiative by Maithri Sarv Seva Samiti. With the guidance of seasoned experts, they learn the art of nurturing these incredible creatures, harnessing their potential, and reaping the sweet rewards. Through practical training sessions, farmers acquire the skills to set up their own apiaries, manage colonies, and maintain a thriving honeybee farm. They discover the intricacies of hive construction, proper handling techniques, and the art of honey extraction, all with the aim of ensuring sustainable and efficient honey production. Integrated farming training, addressing the multifaceted challenges faced by farmers, integrating diverse farming practices for sustainable agriculture. Honeybee training, delving into the fascinating world of honeybee farming, equipping farmers with knowledge, tools, and techniques for successful beekeeping. Biochar, introducing the revolutionary concept of biochar for soil improvement, ensuring sustainable and enhanced crop yields. Agroforestry, promoting the harmonious coexistence of agriculture and forestry, creating a balanced and eco-friendly farming environment. Vermicompost, encouraging the use of vermicompost for organic farming, enriching the soil with natural nutrients. Soil testing, guiding farmers through essential soil testing practices, ensuring the health of the land and sustainable farming. Organic farming, advocating for the shift towards organic farming practices, promoting environmental sustainability. Each component is introduced via field-based modules using functional demo models housed within the Sanrakshan training farm. Farmers are mobilized through partnerships with local gram panchayats and undergo structured training sessions facilitated by agri-experts and domain specialists in water, environment, and sanitation systems. Additionally, Sanrakshan is establishing a 5-layered food forest modeled on regenerative agroecology principles. The demonstration plot replicates a perennial cropping system, producing weekly harvests of fruits, tubers, and greens. This food forest is being positioned as a replicable model for climate-resilient and diversified farming. Sanrakshan Distribution Program, moving beyond training, witness the impactful Sanrakshan Distribution Program, where MSSS provides farmers with essential resources. Biochar demonstration distribution, visualize the distribution of biochar boxes, a game changer in combating soil erosion and enhancing soil fertility. Boxes installed at the farmer's field, empowering farmers with the tools for successful honeybee farming, fostering entrepreneurship. Vermicomposting units with Red Wiggler Worm Starter Kits, providing farmers with vermicompost resources for organic and nutrient-rich farming. Greenhouse Starter Modules plants, distributing plants to further support agroforestry initiatives and enhance biodiversity. Each installation is followed up with a field visit, practical demonstration, and a monitoring checklist to ensure adoption and continuity. Sanrakshan Farmers Success Stories, celebrate the success stories of farmers. Several farmers trained in beekeeping have begun harvesting an average of 18 kilograms of honey per annum. To formalize this value chain, Sanrakshan facilitated the formation of a self-help group, SHG, of women and youth. This SHG now manages honey extraction, filtration and processing, packaging and labeling, local retail and direct sales. This group-based model creates employment while ensuring product traceability and consistent branding. The SHG is now preparing a structured case study to integrate into Sanrakshan's future rural entrepreneurship curriculum, who have embraced Sanrakshan. Witness MSSS evaluating the impact on farmers' land and the success results of integrating biochar, honeybee farming, and other sustainable practices. Supported by Canara HSBC Life Insurance, we extend our gratitude to the visionary leaders who understand the importance of sustainable agriculture and the need to empower our farmers. Their invaluable support ensures that the Sanrakshan program can reach far and wide, transforming the lives of countless farmers across our great nation. We sow the seeds of progress, nurturing a brighter future for our farmers. Join us on this incredible journey as we celebrate the magic of honeybee farming and the resilience of our farmers.